Welcome to our guide on how to find an old liked post on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Next, tap on the Settings icon to enter the Settings section. Select Account Center from the Settings menu. Then, tap on Your Information and Permissions to manage your account data. Tap on Access Your Information to view your Facebook activity. Select Your Facebook Activity to see all your interactions on the platform. Under the section for Comments and Reactions, tap on Likes and Reactions to focus on posts you've liked. Scroll down through the list to find the desired post that you've liked in the past. By following these steps, you can easily locate an old liked post on Facebook to revisit and engage with content that resonated with you. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to find an old liked post on Facebook. Explore these steps to rediscover your liked posts and interact with the content that captured your interest in the past.